Good morning, standard 10 students. Today in maths, I am going to solve some more questions from the reflection chapter. But again, I am reminding you, you have to solve this exercise on graph paper. Don't solve it on plain paper. You will not get the exact value. Now, invariant point, I explain you. Invariant point means the point lie on the line. Is it? So, this is 0, 3. This point lie on the line. It will be reflected to x-axis, that here will be the image will form. But when it is reflected in y itself, the image and object will both will coincide. Means image will be formed where is the object. Means that that is at the same point, image will be also formed when reflected on y-axis. Right? So this type of question I am going to explain you one question from, it is given in your exercise 1. First, example 7. Use a graph paper, take 10 small division is equal to 1 unit. Means first this is origin, this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x-axis 1, positive 2, 3, 4, 5, y-axis -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, negative x, negative y, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. It is given, take a small division is equal to 1 unit. Then you know very well what do you mean with this statement. One big house is divided into 10 small division. It means we have to suppose this 10 small division is equal to 1, next 10 small division 2, next 10 small division 3, like that. In x-axis as well as on y-axis. This 10 small division is equal to 1, next 10 small division is equal to 2, next 10 small division is equal to 3. So both way, positive and negative direction, we have to suppose, choose the scale, 10 small division is equal to 1. Now the point given, P23, P32, Q -3 -2. These 2 points given P32 and Q -3 and -2. First of all, locate this point on the graph paper. So 3 and 2, this is the point, 3, 2, and Q -3, -3, -2, this is the point, Q -3, -2. After locating, read the statement. From P and Q, draw the perpendicular PM and QN on the x-axis. So this is the x-axis. From here you draw this and write here M, PN, and from Q draw here, right here, and perpendicular it is given, perpendicular. Name the image of P on reflection through origin. Name the image of P on reflection through origin. P is reflected through origin, means origin will behave as a mirror here. So when we reflect through origin, this is the point Q. What coordinate? Coordinate is -3, -2. Do you follow this one? P is reflected through origin. Take the scale and join through O. Origin behave as a mirror. The object distance is equal to image distance up to same length here. So what is the coordinate? Coordinate is -3 minus 2. Assign the special name of the figure PMQN. PMQN. Join this one to P, join this one to M. Now what is the PMQN? This is parallelogram. What is the name of the figure? PMQN. This is parallelogram. Then find its area. How to find the area? Do one thing. This is the diagonal of the parallelogram, and diagonal divides the parallelogram into two equal triangles. So find the area of one triangle and multiply by 2. So area is equal to half. Base is 3 and 3, 6. Height is 2. You can see 6 unit square. Now this is the area of one triangle, because this diagonal divides the parallelogram into two equal triangles. Multiply it by 2. 6 into 2, that is 12 unit square is the area of this parallelogram. Now coordinate, you have to write the coordinate of the point to which M is mapped reflection in x-axis. M reflected on x-axis, this is M. So what is the coordinate of M? Since M lies on the line x, so x coordinate will be there, but y coordinate will be 0. Means M is invariant point. So M is 3, y coordinate 0. 8. To y-axis. Now this is reflected on y-axis. This invariant point 3, 0, M is reflected on y-axis. For this point, this is the y-axis, right? So this will come here. What is the coordinate? Coordinate will be minus 3, 0. Origin. Now this M reflected through origin. This is the point. So this distance object and this distance is image. The same point, minus 3, 0. So when M is reflected through y-axis, we will get the coordinate minus 3, 0. And when it is reflected through origin, this case also we will get the same point, minus 3, 0. This is the questions. Related to this question, one question is question number 20. No, question number 15, see. Origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. A 2, 5 given. 2, you have to take 5 also. 2 and 5. This is the point. A 2, 5. B 0, 3. B, this is B. So 0, 3 given. This is B. X coordinate 0, 3. This is B. The image of A dash of A under deflection in x-axis. So A reflect for this point A, x-axis, this is the x-axis. So this point reflected on x-axis, right? Up to same length, minus 5 here, right here. 2 and minus 5. This is the coordinate. This is A dash. A point 25 reflected in x-axis. So for A, this is the x-axis. So this is the object distance. This is the image distance. So what is the coordinate of A dash? 2 minus 5. the image B dash of B under deflection AA dash. Now B dash is reflected on AA dash, means AA dash behave as a mirror, is it? So from B we will reflect this on this line, and this is the length. How many length? 1 or 2 house. 2 house we will go back. So 1 house, 2 house. This is B dash. So AA dash become a mirror. On this mirror we have to reflect B. So this distance, draw the straight line, perpendicular line on AA dash and produce up to the same length. So how many house? 2 house, 2 house back. What is the coordinate of B? The coordinate of B will be 4 and 3. Very clear? So next video I will solve some more questions related to this reflection chapter. Thank you very much.